Yes, I called it the stage saga. Yes, onto Mwasi Afia. Mwa wezugo na Afia. Next stage is a stage. Because what Jpac cannot do does not exist. What Jpac cannot do because of money does not exist. Personally, Mwa, I trust Hosimo Pusino Jpac Yapota, even good morning, because he can switch at any time. Obara Saga with Ndi Igbo. Back those days, he later apologized to everybody because by generalizing your apology to Ndi Igbo na Hawogoroku na Facebook, that include Madibia may arrest, that include Madibia Gatorogona Alose, that include Dibia Nine Gona Hawoloku. You apologize to them, generalize the apology. On video mail some time back and say, Jpac, who are you really apologizing to, and for what? That apology na gal, but that apology, meaning that God apologize go to. What is happening now? What is happening now? Do you want me now to believe in your sense of judgment again, based on what we know you to be? Because Ndi Igbo before, you were under the influence of Saga, like you said. So how do I know now that this one I block another stage Saga? Another stage Saga. Your sense of judgment whether na or with the same idea Ishi, but coming from you, the intention each way might not be real, and that may be what may distinguish two of us. Now two different sides. I don't care about if a Kehiti Punon or a mail. Because they apologize to only to go all manner of things against Christians. Who declare one be Christians, you opened your mouth to saying a tender public apology. So Ekehiti is not so funny. Also, you 4 days. Also, this is a stage saga. Yes, this may be a plot to promote business since outside the goal. No, I they promote business Ndi Igbo niile. Okugodo I they promote business Ndi Igbo niile. Mi na elensi, mi na elaja, mi na elensi, mi na elemamele. No, opotago I promote business Igbo. Whether in a wounded man, may na zonde man, if on massive business promotion, and also no fumuku agabage, no wolaka agara, na the sky will be his limit. You want to go? That is why you were not Bogalia, only ban my boy or Biako, who you have with the Biako na all those things. With an angle, now go one come one at this particular time. I know that. It is a stage saga. It is not real. There is nothing Jpac in a man at this Facebook could real. There is nothing about Jpac. If you still believe if Jpac in a kunono, or chachala or carry Jpac, it won't decide. Somebody who can say something, raise the emotion of so many people, make so many people to say all manner of things at the end of the day, or war you need who jump comfortably into another side. They claim about whatever thing they claim. How will I know that now what you are saying about Ekehit is not also acting for you to bring traffic back to your page? 1, 2, for you to also build Ekehit page. It may be discussion on money may even exchange hand, but all go to exchange your hand on mutual interest. Yes. So I stand with Ijowa. Nife Basalo this Saga na Hebido because on a Hebido and on a Facebook we go na Saga. I want to say you only channeled your attention to some other areas of Saga. In other ways, they can have Saga. So they have Saga. Saga. Go no Saga. Abamona to me, there is nothing like Saga. If I say my truth, it is not Saga. except no a planned one which I am not part of it. A planned saga, I am not part of it. I've never been part of any planned saga. So I say things the way I see it. That is my truth and how I see things. Subject to correction, subject to be corrected. But saga, you will now owe it to us to tell us if any nkablo saga or nkablo plan saga. Because I'm going to be following saga. Iya apotagodu in a video. Kowa godu line at this particular one how saga. Ka iwe manzi saga and how saga. Because as far as I'm concerned, just like if video wakulu, this might be planned between these two people to build that platform. Onyo ona gwalo bia malife Jpac yeku maka eke hit. Onyo ona gwalo je malife eke hit yeku maka Jpac. E man e confuse these followers enwega say na Facebook. Ụfọdụ ọbụlọkwọ mmadụ niile ọ na-adụ very easy. Ọ ha do difficult. So ọ bụrụ na unu gbuo egwu buchie egwu ọ na-apụọ ka ikwuekwa the real issues anyị na-ekwu. But all I can tell Ekehit is Ekehit, you are welcome to Facebook. This is when you have arrived Facebook. Go. I hope na ịkwadokwara akwado. Because malum ọwụrụ na ife go na Jpac na-eme abụlọ plan saga. Ihe egbusisikwa mmadụ niile, kwadokwa igbusi mmadụ niile. You are welcome to Facebook. Onwe video mmere ụbọchị asị before I follow kwa maybe ife aya na ndo na-eme. Jekwo jụọ ebe aya na ndo nọ today. Jekwo jụọ ebe a lot of ndị nwa dibịa bidolu even before you. Jekwo jụọ ebe fa nọ na Facebook today. Because now some of them may just gachara through this route in aga today. Mana ịghọta ahụ mgbe m kwurie. Ịghọta mgbe m kwurie kịta ka ịghọta ka ị aghọta from yesterday I made that video about Jpac. Going forward ka ị aghọta reason nji wee kwu ife ahụ m kwuru. I officially welcome you to Facebook. Sit tight. Yes, because the drive may not be as easy as you may think. But for now, as far as I'm concerned, go na Jpac go do game ono na agba because afro nya as a game for nya no odore o ye siri mi ike I believe ni ife Jpac meru again odore even ana me question that name Jpac o ya duru difficult again. I believe na Jpac say na ife ado bad apụta m say yes na ife ado bad. I can never do that maka nwi ni sie iya ebum nwi ni sie everything about him is about making money on Facebook, making friends, making big people, big men. When you that you must be anywhere below face, you must be a coin of different size for you to make what you do may speak for you. It may introduce you to people. You don't need to fake it. You don't need to pretend to be what you are not for you to. Even in now may be temporary. One day it will still die off. So trust in if only no again you do very difficult because and then you know go deny me even in a why no prank why no saga no chose saga no chose how will I know that this particular one not the real actually believe one you for me I will not say anything about if any hit Jpac all too serious hard onye na-ekwu na agụ ọrụ obodo gbapụta aya afụ agụ maka eze na-aghọrị ndị ọ na-achị story of eze na-aghọrị ndị ọ na-achị na agụ ọrụ obodo gbapụta anya aya afụ agụ na agụ agbapụta anya aya afụ agụ olusu ụbọchị the real agụ pụtara ọ na-ekwu na agụ onye ọ na-anọrọkwa dị ha firuo na ọka o si eme agụ wee pụta wee were eze wee dọsasịa. May this not be the case of one man because one day ị ga-akpọkwa sineta Ifeanyị Ụba ọgwa ọnọdụ busy mara ebe ịghọrọ ahụ goje chịrị agwa ịghọtago ofirukwa n'ọnọ Martin unu na-eme because they are watching Facebook. Amonstago ndị ọgaranya maka ndị ọgaranya si eme they are watching you. Ị nwere ike iyuzugido ha yuzuo ha na nọmba 9 na nọmba 10 ha gwara na ha mmadụ ife ahụ na-eme ọkwa ha meriri a lot of things wee kpata ego wee ruo ebe ahụ iche na ha nwere personal likeness ha nwere ebe nọ na expire. If you continue doing things nwere ike ịda akpụpụta ha ọkpa n'ilo. I will end it here. Let us enjoy the saga while it lasts, because at the end we may find out that not staged. The next thing you have here, we na nke hit. Whoever done na touch the go we prove something. A man emechana the job, close to the job. And a bid all execute all, machine all. Or if I afford the bloggers name. If you keep enjoying it, you have your data, you have your phone, you dey use my phone, you dey use my data. But as far as I'm concerned, if you do wakulu to correct, this might be a stage saga between Jpac and Hit, and I will never take Jpac serious for anything. I don't know.